I'm going to show you exactly how my AI model are able to post 10 times more than real model, and you will see that it's not that complicated. Okay, basically my AI model, they never sleep, okay? They are able to produce content 24/7, whereas a normal creator, they always have their period, they want to take vacation, etc. And it's not happening with my AI model. Since now I have a lot of VAs that are trained to create my content, I don't even have to create the content myself. It's created basically while I sleep. What you want to aim for is 5 to 10 content posted per day per model. That's basically the minimum if you want to make like 3 to 4 to 5K, okay? Because on social media, if it's on IG, Thread, whatever, the minimum you're looking for in terms of views per video is 5 to 10K views. So 5 to 10,000 views per video, okay? I have students saying, yeah, I got a few hundred views there, or I have one video with 5K views. This is basically useless, okay? You're wasting your time, you're wasting your money, okay? You want to create videos and get to that threshold of like 10K views minimum per video, okay? And how are you able to achieve that? You're able to achieve that with a real plan, okay? You need a system, okay? And you need to post heavily. Across my 20 AI model, we are able to post more than 300 times per day across all of my accounts, okay? Now, next step. So basically the goal is to not wake up and think like, okay, what I'm going to post. No, you need to have lots of content that are already posted, okay, scheduled that are posted basically automatically or with VAs, okay, because you cannot spend every single day trying to post the content yourself, okay, it's just not going to work. Then daily work is to analyze what is working. So obviously you check the views, you check the comments, what they are saying, etc. You see what are the hooks that are working the best, what types of content, what niche, what types of IG account, what IG account is working the best, okay? And then you are going to create script, okay, scenarios basically to create your new script, okay? So what you do all day must be to analyze data and creating content to try to perform as best as possible. So you need to always have 5 to 10 content ready to post on each platform, okay? For example, if on Instagram you have 5 accounts, okay, like on 2 phones or even 1 phone, okay, you need to have 1 to 2 posts per day per account, which means that is 10 posts, okay? And you cannot just post the same content, okay, on each platform, okay? Like Instagram, TikTok, what you post on Instagram, if it's a bit not, it's a bit too spicy, it won't work on TikTok. So you need to do content that are more like more safe for work, okay? And on Thread, you're going to post different content because the images are working better on Thread, for example, okay? So you need to have your content created in advance and that are specific to the platform that you are going to post. The good thing is you do not need to reinvent the wheel, okay, or to manage a real creator. You can just copy what is working for real creator or what is working for AI creator, and you can directly copy the pose and what they are doing. You can copy the caption, the music, etc. You just have to use software like Modelify, for example, where we can directly copy what the model is doing, okay? And you're basically copying the exact content in like 2 clicks, okay? It takes like 10 seconds. So basically, it's not about trying to be creative or like work every day on like creating content, okay? It's that you need to actually build a machine, okay, a content machine that is here to scale, okay? If you want to build your own system like I build mine, I share everything for free in my school, okay? There is a free training. We show you everything step by step, and you will be in the community with everyone else that are hustling and creating their AI model. And trust me, I wished I had this type of community when I started AIOFM a bit more than a year ago, okay? So if you like this video, please leave a like, subscribe, and we'll see each other in the next one.